Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download the TD Bank app for billing and due dates, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your device's App Store. For iOS devices, tap on the App Store icon. For Android devices, tap on the Google Play Store icon. In the search bar, type TD Bank. Press the search button to find the app. Look for the app named TD Bank, Mobile Banking. Confirm that it's developed by TD Bank, N.A. Tap on the app to open its page. If you are using an iOS device, tap on the Get button. If you are using an Android device, tap on the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You may need to grant permissions for the app to access your location or notifications. If you already have an account, tap on Login. Enter your username and password. If you are a new user, tap on Sign Up. Follow the prompts to create your account. After logging in, navigate to the Billing section. Here you can view your due dates and bills. Ensure your notifications for billing are enabled. You are now ready to manage your billing and due dates through the TD Bank app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.